Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
For Bitcoin, so the week started to regain some of the losses it made last week, and then price, traded rather uncertainly, in a random walk manner, and right now it looks like clear skies are ahead, right? However, I want to caution you guys that there are a lot of leveraged longs because everyone thinks that 100k Bitcoin is going to happen, and I think it's going to happen, but the road there may not be as easy as it was in the past, because in the past there weren't that many institutional money in Bitcoin that had to reduce their position sizes once it takes up too big of a weight in terms of percentage of their portfolios. But now with a lot of institutional money in it, these professionals have to rebalance every now and then, right? To keep their portfolio within the right risk parameters. So if you're trading spot and do not use leverage, I don't think you have anything to worry about. But if you are in leverage longs, you're trying to make the most out of your capital, please control your risk as we enter the first week of November. It is totally possible for price to take another huge leg down to liquidate longs. Maybe they were placed here, right? Cleanse them out, purge them, shake out the weak hands before it moons to 100k. Now for altcoins, we're not going to cover any this week, but if you took a look at price action of most altcoins the last 2 weeks, there were random pumps, and then they would pump maybe 5, 10, 20% a day, and then the next day they'll just give back their gains. And I think altcoins are in a situation and scenario where they are just waiting to see what Bitcoin does at this level, right? It's just broken all-time high. The all-time high breakout failed, it went down, and then started range trading. So until Bitcoin shows conviction to the upside, expect to see short random pumps in altcoins, but with no clear direction. And this could happen until the second week of November. And once there is clear conviction shown by Bitcoin, altcoins will have its day. We'll see its day. It will be green for altcoins in November. And then if everything goes as predicted, we should see bullishness flow back into Bitcoin in December for one final pump. And then hopefully we see another pump in January, February for altcoins. And then I think this will be the end of the cycle. There are a lot of theories out there that say that like this time round it will decouple from the 4-year cycle. We will see crypto just keep pumping and have no correction. But the truth of the matter is, I don't think there's enough money in the system to allow this to happen, especially past Q2 2022 after the Fed starts raising interest rate. That is until we get new information that the Fed is not raising interest rates. We need to keep that in mind. That the money supply in the system may start to reduce, and then we will see the risk-on asset class across the board just take a correction.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.